In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add manager or admin to Slack channel. First, make sure you're signed into Slack on the desktop app or in your browser. We'll start right inside Slack. Open the channel where you want to assign someone as a channel manager. This can be any public or private channel where you have permission to manage settings. If you're not sure, you'll find channels listed in your sidebar. Click the one you want to work with to bring it into focus. Next, open the channel member list. At the top of the channel, click the channel name to open the details, then choose View Members. This is where you can see everyone who's part of the channel and manage their roles. Now locate the person you want to make a channel manager. You can scroll through the list or use the search field in the member panel to quickly find them. Click the member's name to open their profile and options. If you happen to open the wrong person, no worries. Close that panel, select another name, and repeat until you've got the right person highlighted. With the correct member selected, look for the three-dot menu next to their name or in their profile panel. Click that menu to reveal actions for this member, then choose Make Channel Manager. Slack will prompt you to confirm the change. If you clicked by mistake or just want to pause, choose Cancel to back out safely. When you're ready, open the same three-dot menu again, select Make Channel Manager, and this time confirm. You'll see an indicator that the role has been updated, and the member will now have manager permissions for this channel. Once the manager is set, it's a good idea to fine-tune channel permissions so the manager role has clear control. In the channel details, switch to the tab section to review how the channel is organized, then move over to settings. In settings, find posting permissions and click edit. Here, you can decide who is allowed to post in the channel. If the channel is meant for announcements, choose the option that limits posting to admins only. If you still want a few additional voices, select the option that allows admins plus specific people. This helps you keep the channel focused and prevents noise, while still letting key contributors post updates. Next, look for the option that controls who can add, remove, and reorder tabs in the channel. Tabs organize important resources, things like files, canvases, or integrations, so it's worth deciding how tightly you want to manage them. Open that control, and you'll likely see everyone as the default. Change it to channel managers so only managers can modify tabs. This keeps your channel organized and prevents accidental changes that could hide important information. To recap, you opened Slack and navigated to the target channel. You viewed the member list, selected the right person, and used the three-dot menu to make them a channel manager, confirming the change when prompted. Then you reviewed channel settings, adjusted posting permissions to either admins only or admins plus specific people, and set tab management permissions so only channel managers can make structural changes. A few practical tips as you finish up. If you don't see the option to make someone a channel manager, you may need elevated permissions yourself, or your workspace settings may restrict this action. For private channels, you must already be a member to manage roles. Changes you make here are effective immediately and apply across devices, so teammates on mobile will see the updated roles and permissions right away. And remember, keeping posting permissions and tab controls limited to channel managers is a simple way to keep important channels clear, consistent, and easy for your team to follow. That's it. Your channel now has a dedicated manager, and the settings are aligned to support them.